The lift in this car is so much smaller than you think it is. Alright, g'day guys, it's Matt Preston, built Prado, welcome back to another video. Now, this title is correct, I've actually lied to you guys without realising. Stick around and I'll tell you what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, so yes, I did lie. Now, what I'm talking about is the suspension on this car. So, you may have seen I've done quite a few videos on YouTube about what suspension's in this car, and there's quite a lot of different things going on in here with 80 series parts, 105 series parts, Prado 150 series parts. So there's a bit going on there, and then also the body lift, but essentially that's all wrong and it's not correct. So about a week ago I went to a suspension place. Now I'm not going to name them yet just because there's some things. Okay, so about a week ago I went to a suspension place. Now I'm not going to name them yet because there's some things in the works, but essentially I went there and we're just trying to see what lift was in the car to figure out what's going on. So obviously it's got a 2-inch body lift, we all know that. And well, I thought I knew that it had about a 2-3 inch lift in the front and like a 3 to 4 inch lift in the rear, okay? On top of the body lift, right? But I've got 35s in here, they're pretty like big tires as we know, and it's an absolute struggle to get them on this car. The lift in this car is so much smaller than you think it is. So I went to the professionals and they knew the exact stock suspension heights for this Prado 90 series, okay? In their forms, they get it from the government, it's like a legal thing, and they know exactly what the stock height is, okay? So you look at this, you know, you might be, Matt, I think that's a 2-inch lift, you know, that's great. So it's got the 2-inch body lift in there now, but in the front, 34 mil, okay? So there's a 34 mil lift in the front. So as we know, 2-inch lift is like 50 mil, so that's under 2 inches, and 25 mil would be about 1 inch. So I've got like a 1.5 inch lift, I guess you could say, in the front of suspension, and then 2 inch of body. So that was a huge surprise. But then again, I look at it and I'll be like, oh yeah, I can sort of see it, but I really thought it was more than 34 mil, okay? So that was a bit of a shock. Okay, so I'm at the rear now. You look at this, 2-inch body lift, so you know, that's just the body off the chassis. But how much suspension travel you reckon there is? There is 28 mil. So that's less than the front, even though the distance between here and here is actually higher than at the front, okay? So there's 28 mil lift here, which is, you know, 25 mils an inch. So it's literally a 1 inch lift in the rear and a 1.5 inch lift in the front, which is just crazy to me. And then 2-inch body. So just for reference, if you're at home following along, if you have about a 1 inch lift and a 2-inch body lift, you can fit 35. So some of you might be very surprised by that. I sure was when I heard all that for the first time. I just couldn't believe that it's that low of a lift and it's got 35s on it. Now, what does also, I guess you could say, scare me a bit, is to think that if we just put a 2-inch lift on this, it's just going to raise up roughly another 50 mil, give or take. Because if we do like a 2.5 inch lift, it will go a lot higher. So good things in the sense that it is lower than I thought and I can go higher with lift. Also bad, I feel bad because essentially I've told heaps of people, thousands of people, that this is like a 3-4 inch lift suspension and it's just not, okay? So I'm gonna have to let you guys know that that was wrong. So maybe you're at home like, Matt, always knew that, there's no way that looks that big. A lot of people do comment about the CV angles, how they're actually pretty reasonable. They're not even, like they're on a little bit of an angle, but it's not crazy. And that's fair enough, because that's probably, it's on a 1.5 inch lift. So I'm just shocked, honestly. There you go guys, that's my rant. The car's way lower than I thought it was, shock. And yeah, I hope you have a great Christmas and thank you so much for tuning in, and enjoy your holidays, and we'll see you guys next year for a massive 2024 built Prado. Enjoy.